Hi guys, we're going to go over points of view in literature again. So the three ones we're going to talk about today: first person point of view, third person limited, and third person omniscient. So I wrote a few quick stories, one from each of them. So here is an example of first person point of view. So remember that the keys are the words like I, me, and we, because the narrator is part of the story. Okay, here's the story. It was the last game of the 2008 baseball season. The Brewers hosted the Cubs. It was the ninth inning, and CC Sabathia was trying to close it out for the Brewers, who were protecting a 3-2 lead. The Brewers hadn't been in the playoffs in my entire lifetime. I sat, leaning all the way forward in my seat as Derek Lee, the Cubs star first baseman, came up to bat. I was rocking back and forth with nerves. The crowd, which had been electric through the entire game, continued to roar as the finish line came closer into view. I could barely bring myself to cheer. I kept thinking about how the Brewers were so close to doing something I had never seen them do in my life: make the playoffs. I thought of my mom, who was sitting next to me. She passed the Brewers' passion on to me. I thought about my grandpa, who had passed away about 5 years earlier. He loved baseball and taught me how to play. My eyes got a little misty thinking about how this sport bound my family together through so many generations. So that's an example of first person literature, and actually that is my true story. Okay, third person limited. So now the narrator is watching the events unfold, and they can, or unfold I should say, and the narrator can share the opinion or thoughts or feelings of one of the characters. This is from the same game. CC Sabathia strode to the mound in the top of the ninth inning. The crowd stood on its feet, screaming in support. Sabathia had been acquired by the Brewers midway through the season in order to push the team through into the playoffs for the first time in 26 years. Some players would be nervous in this situation. Sabathia wasn't. This is why they got me, he thought to himself as he fired the warm-up pitches to his catcher. He struck out the first batter, and his confidence only grew. The second batter somehow got a hit. Whatever, dig deep, big guy, he thought to himself. He knew the base runner would just make things exciting. Derek Lee walked to the plate, and Sabathia just smiled confidently. He looked around to take it in, thinking that he'd always remember this game. As Lee grounded into a game-ending double play, Sabathia exploded with excitement, thinking of Prince Fielder and Ryan Braun and all the other players whose team he had just pushed over the top. So first of all, I want to talk a little bit about the differences between these two points of view. So first person, it's like this is my story. The writer is in that story watching things unfold, and that means the writer is a character. The second one, third person limited. The writer is not a character in this story, but now this writing is about CC Sabathia. His opinion is being shared. So he is certainly the main character, and the writer is not part of the story. So again, where's the focus of the writing? No, it's shifted to the character, not the narrator. Then the last one, this one's shorter. Here's an example of third-person omniscient. Derek Lee nervously walked to home plate with his team trailing by a run in the ninth inning. He looked towards the pitcher's mound and saw CC Sabathia, who seemed to almost be immortal at this point. The Brewers pitcher had been incredible since being traded to the Brewers. Sabathia looked Lee in the eye and could see that Lee was nervous. I got him, Sabathia confidently said to himself. So this one's different because it has both of the players' opinions. Lee is saying that you can tell that this batter is nervously walking, and there's some of his thoughts shared. And then in this paragraph, it talks about Sabathia's point of view and how he's feeling. So this story is going to give you a feeling of how everyone's doing. The focus is on both of the players. So changing that perspective is going to change that focus. It's going to change how the story is being told. All right, good luck.